Ever fancied creating your own animated cartoons? These vibrant worlds and characters have been captivating audiences for decades, shaping our culture in ways we hardly notice. They've made us laugh, cry, and dream. But have you ever thought of the magic behind these creations? What if you could bring your own stories to life, just like the ones you grew up watching? Today, we're going to introduce a revolutionary way to do just that. Imagine being able to create your own animated cartoon with AI. Creating an animated cartoon using AI is an intriguing and innovative process. Let's delve into the step-by-step process that can bring your creative vision to life. Firstly, everything begins with a storyboard. This is your roadmap, outlining the sequence of events, character interactions, and the overall aesthetic of your animation. It's your blueprint, your guide, your compass. After your storyboard is ready, it's time to choose the right AI software. There are many options available, each with its unique features and capabilities. Some are more suited for intricate animations, others for simpler ones. It's crucial to select one that aligns with your vision. Once you've picked your software, input your storyboard into it. The AI will then use its algorithms to translate your storyboard into an animated sequence. It's like magic, but it's technology. And voila, your animated cartoon is ready to impress. With the right tools and a dash of creativity, you can create something truly extraordinary. Let's do a quick recap of the fascinating process we've just discussed. We started with the crucial first step, drafting a storyboard. This is where you sketch out your ideas and visualize the storyline of your animation. This helps to give your project direction and provides a framework for your animation. Next, we talked about choosing the right AI software. This can be a tricky decision as there are many options available. However, finding one that suits your needs and skill level is paramount. After that, we delved into how to input your storyboard into the software. This is where you bring your ideas to life, transforming your sketches into a digital format. Then we touched on the magic of AI. This technology can create smooth, lifelike animations, making your characters move and interact in a believable way. Now, you're all set to create your own animated cartoon using AI.